als ik overdrijf. Zelfs als ik naar boven kijk. Zelfs als ik voor een derde ben. Dan weet je dat ik ergens ben. Dan ben ik als vlag in de lucht als sterrenstof. Dan ben ik loser in the sky met diamonds on my neck. Bitch, diamonds on my neck. Loser in the sky met diamonds on my neck. Diamonds on my neck. Diamonds on my neck.
Sterrenstof van de jeugd van tegenwoordig. Ze bestaan ondertussen 10 jaar en dat gaan ze vieren dit jaar onder andere op donderdag 21 mei in ons land. Want dan staan ze in de AB met hun viering van het Super Decennium Tour. Belooft heel erg de moeite te worden, denk ik dan. Dit is U2.
Till the next one, there'll be one more. And every gambler knows that to lose is what you're really there for. Someone else feels. Now I speak into an answer phone, like every fallen leaf on the breeze. Winter wouldn't leave it alone. If you go, you're weighing up your mind. Are we so helpless against the tide? Maybe every dog on the street knows that we're in love with defeat. Are we ready to be swept off our feet? Stop chasing every breaking wave. Every sailor knows that the sea is a friend made enemy, and every shipwrecked soul knows what it is to live without intimacy. I thought I heard the captain's voice, but it's hard to listen while you preach, like every broken wave on the shore. This is as far as I could reach. If you go, you're weighing up your mind. Are we so helpless against the tide? Maybe every dog on the street knows that we're in love with defeat. Are we ready to be swept off our feet and stop chasing every breaking wave? The sea knows where all the rocks and drowning is no sin. You know where my heart is, the same place that yours has been. We know that we fear to win, and so we end before we begin. Before we begin. If you go, you're weighing up your mind. Are we so helpless against the tide? Maybe every dog on the street knows that we're in love with defeat. Are we ready to be swept off our feet and stop chasing every breaking wave?
Every Breaking Wave, dat was U2. Ik heb Jessie Ware voor je klaarstaan met Running, maar dan wel in die geweldige Disclosure remix.
Brussel!
Het weekend
Is de max.
again is happening. When you're around, I just go weak. All I wanna know is electrical. And I never want to leave. And I'm ready to run, ready to go. I'm ready to lose it all. And I'm ready to run, ready to go. I'm ready to lose it all. Hold my hand like the air, so gently. It's happening. When you're around, I just go weak. All I wanna know is electrical. And I never want to leave. And I'm ready to burn, ready to fall. I'm ready to lose it all. And I'm ready to burn, ready to fall. I'm ready to lose it all.
Van die nummers waar zowel Jessie Ware als Disclosure mee in een soort van stroomversnelling kwamen. Running van Jessie Ware in de Disclosure remix. En over stroomversnellingen gesproken, dit heeft ook voor heel wat gezorgd voor 50 Cent en Justin Timberlake. Het is AO Technology.
De Max.
Something special. Unforgettable. 50 Cent. Just damn. Timberlake. God damn. She want it. I wanna give it to her. She know that it's right here for her. I wanna see her break it down. Yeah. I'm ballin'. Blowing money around. She a work girl, she work the pole, she break it down, she take it low, she fine as hell, she bout to go, she doing a thing out on the floor. Her money, she make it look at the way she shake it, make you want to touch it, make you want to taste it. How you lustin' for it, going crazy, face it now, don't stop. Get it, the way she shake it, make you wanna hit it. Then she double jointed from the way she split it, got your head fucked up from the way she did it. She's so much more than you used to. She knows just how to move to seduce you. She gon' do the right thing and touch the right spots and dance on your lap till you ready to pop. She always ready. When you want it, she want it like an info. The info, I show you where to meet her. On the late night till daylight, the club jumping. If you want a good time, she gon' give you what you want.
Baby, you're so new age, you're like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke's got the club all hazy, spotlights don't do you justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. Why don't you sit down on top of me? Hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. She won't sit, she won't sit, she won't sit, so I gotta give it to her. She won't sit, she won't sit, she won't sit, so I gotta give it to her.
for that thing she got. The wish make it take, the wish make it pop and make it rain for us, so she don't stop. I ain't got the move, I can sit and watch. In the fantasy, it's plain to see just how it be. Her and me, backstroking, sweat soaking, all into my set sheet. When she ready to ride, I'm ready to roll. I'll be in this bitch till the club close, watching her do what thing on all fours. Now that this shit begins to roll from side to side, let the ride, break it down, down, down. You know I like when you hype and you throw it all around. Different style, different groove. Damn, I like the way you move. Girl, you got me thinking about all the things I do to you. Let's get it poppin', so that we can switch positions. From the couch to the counters in my kitchen.
Baby, you're so new age, you're like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke's got the club all hazy, spotlights don't do you justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. Why don't you sit down on top of me? Hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. She won't sit, she won't sit, she won't sit, so gotta give it to her. She won't sit, she won't sit, she won't sit, so gotta give it to her. Your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized. Let me tell you your hips, your thighs, it got me hypnotized.
Blijft een fantastisch nummer, hè, deze AO Technology van 50 Cent en Justin Timberlake. Als je graag naar de film gaat en je doet dat graag op onze kosten, wel, dan heb ik goed nieuws voor jou, want ik heb hier tickets liggen voor de avant-première van Run All Night volgende week in Kinepolis in Leuven. Jij kan erbij zijn bij die avant-première. Je moet mij daarvoor bellen op het nummer 073 44 044 en me vertellen welke componist of welke muziekmaker voor de soundtrack heeft gezorgd. Het is een Nederlander. Ik ga je de keuze geven tussen twee namen. Is dat ofwel Tiesto ofwel Junkie XL. Eén van die twee heeft de soundtrack gemaakt voor die nieuwe film. Als je wil weten waar die precies over gaat, luister dan nu even goed.
Just call your boy, Sean.
Wat doe je als je maar 1 nacht de tijd hebt?
I had to. I was gonna shoot my son.
Om te kiezen tussen je familie.
I'm coming after your boy with everything I got.
Of je maffiabaas.
And when it's done, then I'll let you die.
Run All Night.
I'm gonna do what I have to do to protect Michael.
Met Liam Neeson en Ed Harris.
One night.
En Studio Brussel stuurt je naar de avant-première van Run All Night in Kinepolis Leuven. Surf nu naar studio.be en win je exclusieve tickets.
It's gonna be a long night.
Studio
Brussel.
Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air. I know I can count on you. Sometimes I feel like saying, Lord, I just don't care. But you've got the love I need to see me through. Sometimes it seems the going is just too rough. And things go wrong no matter what I do. Now and then I feel like life is just too much. But you've got the love I need to see me through. When food is gone, you are my daily meal. When friends are gone, I know my Savior's love is real. Your love is real. Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air. I know I can count on you. Sometimes I feel like saying, Lord, I just don't care. But you got the love I need to see me through.
something about you. There's something about you. There's something about you. There's something about you.
Vous écoutez France Inter.
state for the record. We're giving love in a family dose. We are family. Hey, I got all my sisters with me. We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Sing it to me. We are family. I got all my sisters with me. We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Living life is fun, and we've just begun to get our share of this world's delight. High hopes we have for the future and our goals in sight. We know we don't get depressed. Here's what we call our golden rule. Have faith in you and the things you do. You won't go wrong. Oh no, this is our family jewel. We are family. Sing it to me. I got all my sisters with me. Sing it to me. We are family. I can hear you, y'all.
France Inter, 15h, les informations, Dominique Delaroy. Après les rafales, les hélicos, ce matin, en quelques heures, le Premier ministre indien a visité la chaîne des Airbus A380, puis le Centre national d'études spatiales, le CNES, à Toulouse. Visite en compagnie de Laurent Fabius, le ministre des Affaires étrangères. Pas de déclaration à la presse pendant les 3 heures passées sur place, mais Narendra Modi s'est laissé ostensiblement photographier devant un hélicoptère de transport militaire d'Airbus Group. Airbus Group qui aimerait bien coopérer avec l'Inde. Manuel Valls, à la journée Outre-mer Développement à Paris, le Premier ministre a saisi l'occasion pour tacler Jean-Marie Le Pen. Cette semaine, j'ai entendu beaucoup de propos sur ceux qui étaient français depuis 30 ans ou qui l'étaient depuis 1000 ans. Quand on regarde l'Outre-mer, c'est la plus belle réponse possible aux propos insupportables sur ce qu'est l'identité de notre pays. Jean-Marie Le Pen, président d'honneur du FN, a déclaré cette semaine dans l'hebdomadaire d'extrême droite Rivarol être français depuis 1000 ans, par opposition à Manuel Valls, d'origine espagnole et dont la naturalisation remonte à une trentaine d'années. Un délégué interministériel chargé de superviser une éventuelle candidature de la France à l'exposition universelle de 2025 devrait être nommé mardi par le gouvernement. Ce délégué, ce pourrait être Pascal Lamy, l'ancien commissaire européen et directeur général de l'Organisation mondiale du commerce. François Hollande et Manuel Valls ont déjà fait part de leur soutien à cette candidature de la France qui n'a pas accueilli d'exposition universelle depuis 1900. Valérie Pécresse a lancé aujourd'hui sa campagne pour les régionales devant près de 2000 personnes réunies à Rosny-sous-Bois en Seine-Saint-Denis. La conseillère régionale et députée des Yvelines a présenté son rêve pour l'Île-de-France, se présentant comme la candidate des solutions. Elle a longuement détaillé ses priorités: transport, logement, environnement, entrepreneuriat, sécurité, ruralité. Valérie Pécresse affirme incarner le changement concret face à une majorité de gauche au bilan calamiteux. Vivendi fait taire la rumeur. Le groupe dont Vincent Bolloré est le premier actionnaire n'a pas l'intention de faire une offre de rachat visant Lagardère. C'est ce que déclare aujourd'hui un porte-parole Vivendi. Lagardère est un groupe ami Vivendi qui a pour ambition de bâtir un champion européen des médias et des contenus. La fusillade ce matin à l'aube à la sortie d'une discothèque de Bobigny en Seine-Saint-Denis. L'un des 2 hommes, transporté dans un état grave à l'hôpital, est décédé en fin de matinée. L'autre est légèrement blessé. Les 2 victimes ont été prises pour cible un peu avant 6 heures pour un motif encore inconnu par un homme armé d'un fusil à pompe. Après les catholiques, ce sont les orthodoxes qui fêtent
dosyć, cierpliwości mi już brak. Wciąż po pracy gdzieś wychodzisz, jak mam zmienić to no jak? Twoją pasją są koledzy, mecze, ryby, wielki świat. A ja tylko gary dzieci, to już tyle lat. Muszę coś z tym fantem zrobić i ułożyć jakiś plan, byś nawyki mógł swe zmienić, drugą szansę tobie dam. Chcę zapomnieć o kłopotach, które niesie każdy dzień. Weź i podnieś się z kanapy i coś w życiu zmień. Zmień się w końcu, mój kochany, no bo będzie źle. Bo ty...
zápas letos mistrem? Pište nám SMSky na 77439.
Ходит към храма избрах.
Автобиография Северозапад.
Автобиография Северозапад.
Здравейте, уважаеми слушатели! Аз съм Анжела Каменова, тон режисьор е Силви Сливенов. В автобиография Северозапад ден преди Велик ден ще разкажа за хората, сътворили история. Не са я написали, изградили са я. Издигали са храмове, за да запазят вярата си. Как тя е съхранявана и как ще опазим ние, разговорът е с епископ Поликарп. И още за църквите в селата Макреш и Извор и хората, които са имали потребност от тях. Двете са във Видинската епархия само на няколко километра разстояние. Строени са по едно и също време и са паметници на културата. За да съхранят едната, хората провели общо селско събрание, църковното настоятелство кандидатствало по програма и откриването на обновения храм в село Извор скоро ще е факт. В Макреш преди повече от 150
мен се веждат следи от тъжен град. Празно и студено сняг през юли, а в душата ми вали, вали. Твоите стъпки бавно през съня ми разсичат моите дни. Събира в твоите ръце, виждам два познати силуета, лице срещу лице. Някъде високо там в небето пак гори звезда. Цял живот дори да бъде скитник, ще вярвам в любовта. Звездите не заспиват в своя нощен бяг. Никога мечтите не умират, вярваш ли в тях? Някъде високо там в небето пак гори звезда. Цял живот дори да бъде скитник, ще вярвам в любовта. Половели светлини ме следват и рисуват образ на жена. Цял живот дори да бъда скитник, ще вярвам в любовта. Любовта. Ще вярвам в любовта. Любовта. Ще вярвам в любовта. Любовта. Ще вярвам в любовта.
Радио Видин.
Автобиография Северозапад продължавам с разказа на епископ Поликарп. Храмовете, които видяхме заедно с колегите Красимир Каменов и Светослав Цветанов, бяха повод да го потърся и да попитам.
Smiled when you're in pain. You who soldiered through the profane. They were distracted and shut down. So why would you talk to me at all? Such words were dishonorable and in vain. Their promise of solid as a fog. Where was your watch then? I'll be your keeper for life as your guardian. I'll be your warrior of care, your first warden. I'll be your angel on call. I'll be your demand. The greatest honor of all as your guardian. You in the chaos feigning sane. You who has pushed beyond what's